English Made Easy. Understanding soft-boiled egg. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in English, soft-boiled egg. This might seem simple, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just keen on expanding your English vocabulary, this video is for you. A soft-boiled egg is a type of egg preparation. It's cooked in its shell, usually in boiling water. The key feature of a soft-boiled egg is its consistency. The white part of the egg, or the albumen, becomes firm, but the yolk remains partially liquid and creamy. This contrasts with a hard-boiled egg, where both the white and the yolk are completely solid. To make a soft-boiled egg, you need to cook it for about 4 to 6 minutes in boiling water. Timing is crucial. Too short, and the egg will be too raw. Too long, and it will become hard-boiled. It's a delicate balance that requires a bit of practice to perfect. In many English-speaking countries, soft-boiled eggs are a popular breakfast choice. They're often served in an egg cup and eaten with a spoon. The phrase, soft-boiled egg, can also be used metaphorically to describe something or someone that is gentle or delicate in nature. I hope this video has helped you understand what a soft-boiled egg is and how it fits into both culinary and linguistic contexts. Remember, learning a language is not just about words, but also about the culture and nuances behind them. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.